Here I have two Wii remotes. So the one on the right is good and working. We can see there we get lights when we press the button. The one on the left, dead as a doornail. So we'll get these batteries put in it and I'll show you. You know the batteries are good because you just saw them light up in the other one. Get them in, let's hit some buttons. Nothing at all. No response. Dead. Now I've never actually opened up one of these remotes before, so I'm hoping it's not too hard. It shouldn't be too hard, it's a controller. I can see it uses a tri-wing like most other Nintendo gear, so let's get that out and get straight into it. I can only see 4 screw holes, so we'll get those 4 out, see what happens. Hopefully not too difficult. From the outside, nothing really looks off. Nothing obvious on the battery terminals from what I can see here. Yeah, get these last 2 out and see if this cover wants to come off or if there's more work involved. As I said, never opened up one of these before. Okay, they're all out. And bottom half is loose, top half not so much. There's something holding it down. I don't see any other screws, so we're going to assume there's clips in there. But yeah, it's one of those things where you don't want to pry too hard. I don't want to break anything. At the same time, I don't see any other way of opening this. So I'll try and get the spudger in there. Sheesh. Can't see anything. Definitely nothing on the back there. Nothing on the top. That's just the little sensory bit. I've got all 4 screws out. Alright. Let's just go for it. Spudger in. Come on. Oh, and there we go. Something did fly off. Probably should have pried it from the middle or something then. Alright, it's on the left. Got the main frame with all the buttony pieces. There's the speaker. Put those little buttons back in so we don't lose them. All the membranes are still attached to the actual board at the moment, but we'll get them off too so we can get the board out. 1 and 2 buttons, plus minus home, D-pad. So now we've got all those membranes out of the way. There's nothing looking bad on this side of the board. All looks kind of clean. Try and get it out. A few more little clips. Wiggle it off. There we go. Got the button membrane and housing for the B button on the back there. Right, get that out of the way too then. And some little whatever that thing is. Is it a rumble motor of some form? Do they have rumble? I can't remember now. Anyway, get that out of the way. Let's inspect this board. Battery terminals first. Okay, one of them does have a little bit of corrosion on it. The other one looks fine. It's the only thing that stands out to me, so obviously corrosion on a battery terminal is no good, so let's get that cleaned if we can. Got the isopropyl alcohol on the toothbrush. Oh, it's only got one leg holding it down, which is why it's able to move so easily. Interesting. Would have thought you'd have 2 legs in it, but anyway. Maybe I should take it off. Get the board holder thingamajig into action here. Get this battery terminal out since it's only held in by one piece. If I just hold the iron on that one leg, it should just fall out nice and easy. And then maybe I can soak it rather than trying to toothbrush it, because it didn't come off all too easily from the brush just then. So I think this is our best course of action. Get it off. Oh, on board holder, don't fail me now. Iron's not hot enough. Readjust. And take 2. It's coming. There we go. One corroded terminal. Put that to the side and soak it, because I don't think brushing that's going to help. We'll give it a try now that it's off, but I think I'm going to have to soak it. Yep, not very effective. Not very effective at all. Right, that's off soaking. Well, that's doing it. That we shall clean up this hole so we can put it back through again. So the mighty Gootwick comes to play. Look at that, easy. Oh, I've got a visitor. Usually my door's closed so she can't get in, but she snuck through today. Hello. Hello. I'm watching the street, make sure there's nothing dangerous going on out there. Good guard, doggy. Hey. Little rat bag. Yes, you. Very cute. Alright, I need to get back to work. Yes, I do. Alright. That's been soaking for a bit. I'll put it back in. Not that you can see, my fingers are in the way. Okay. With that back on, we'll reassemble. See if we get those beautiful blue lights. If not, take it back out, inspect some more. Oh, there we go. Blue lights. Happy days. I'll get this fully reassembled. And make sure it works. The button's pressed properly. Yep, line it all up. And 4 screws back in, nothing too difficult. Battery time. Flashing happily. So another one fixed. Remember to like and subscribe. I've got more stuff coming soon, and we'll see you in the next one.